This is Ben from Testive, and we're solving a math problem, geometry. In the figure above, segment QR is parallel to TU. All right, so QR and TU are parallel. The lengths of sides QR, TU, and TS are 6, 10, and 9, respectively. I see this isn't labeled on my drawing, so I'm going to do that right away. 6, let's see here. 6, 10, and 9, respectively. Segment QU intersects segment TR at point S, all right? I could have figured that out. What is the length of segment RS? So we're trying to find this length right here. Okay, so what do we know? We know that QR is parallel to TU. So if we know that, then by alternate interior angles, what we know, well, because these angles are straight across from each other, we know that these angles are the same. Okay, so if we know that these angles are the same, and we know that these lines, QR and TU, are parallel, we actually also know that these angles right here, RQS and TUS, are the same. And because we know that they're the same, we also know that these angles are the same. If two angles in a triangle are the same, then all three are the same. And that means that we actually have similar triangles. If all three angles are the same, we have similar triangles. So what I would do at this point is I would actually kind of take apart my drawing and I would flip it. So I have TUS with 10 and 9, and then I would take my other triangle and I would kind of turn it over and think about how it relates. So I would flip it over and put it like Q. I would put my 6 down here, and then I would say, all right, well then I have, I want to position my missing side length, RS, right here, okay? Okay, so that means that what we want to do is figure out a proportion, right? Because they're similar triangles, and I didn't actually draw these lines exactly the same, but basically I'm just showing that these are similar triangles. When we have similar triangles, that means that not only the angles are proportional, the sides are proportional. So we can set up a ratio where we show that 6, let's label this missing side length X, 6 over 10 equals X over 9. And then we can simply cross multiply to solve for X. So we can say that 10X equals 6 times 9, or 10X equals 54. Therefore, X equals 5.4. And that's our answer.